Right, what are you cooking, Cocker?
Something with chicken and potatoes and onion. And spicy goodness.
Spicy goodness? What's in the spicy goodness?
Well, I've still got a bit of stock left from last night from that chicken that I made. And then I've just got some sweet peppers, chili flakes, and I think I've got a bit of hot pepper sauce there as well. So I'm going to add that. I've got some tomatoes that need to be used up. So I'm going to cut them up and add them. Cook the chicken first. We've only got a couple of little pans and this frying pan under here. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to layer it up. Potatoes, chicken, onions, tomatoes, mushrooms, pepper stuff. And then I'm going to put cheese over the top and then put it under the grill.
Cool.
It's like a chickeny bake.
Sizzling, Sharon.
I just frying the chicken off, but I'm still trying to work out what spices to put in it.
Okie dokie. Right.
Right. So up to now in the pan I've got chicken frying off. I've not put anything else in it yet, any spices. I'm just going to add the onions. I've got red onions sliced. Second batch. I dropped the first batch on the floor. Oh, there's the second lot of onions. I've got some mushrooms, but I'm just going to keep them to one side for now. Still not got a name for this dish, but I am sure it will come to me at the end. So I'm just going to fry the onions after that. Oh, I've dropped an onion in there.
Archie wants to know the name of it.
Oh! I'm still thinking. I'm going to leave that to, I'm going to stick on, because I've not decided what I'm actually putting in it. I can't think of a name. So I'm thinking, right, I'm going to put some dried red bell peppers in. Just going to sprinkle that on and they just add absolutely shitloads of flavour. I've got some chili flakes down here. I'm going to check my little victual supply behind me. See what other little goodies I've got.
What kind of victuals do you have? Hey boy? Daddy, could I have some of those buckles, Daddy?
You've had plenty. You've had all the shitty bits. Yes, it's mixed herbs, so it's pizza seasoning, but it's just a selection of oregano, thyme. It smells a bit lemony actually. So I thought I'll add that, and I've got a better idea what type of dish it's going to be. So let's fry that off with the spices. And I think I may have some garlic in the fry, so if I do, I'm going to whack some garlic in there as well. So I'll just turn it down for a little bit. I'll save another bit of my wine. Oh, that's yours. I'm just adding some more. I had some cooked chicken left from last night, so obviously because we're on the boat, I can't like freeze it or anything. Just thought I'd, now this other chicken's cooked, I've added some juice from the chicken from last night into this pan. Then we wouldn't be able to.
Sorry, say again.
If it gets really hot over the next day, I don't want a portion of chicken on the side, so I want to get it used up really.
So you're cooking it, and it will last longer if it's cooked.
But better if it's cooked, yeah. But I'm sure we'll probably polish all this off tonight, or you might finish it for breakfast tomorrow. So, I don't think there'd be a problem with. But yeah, once it's cooked, I can put it in one of those cool bags. I'll get a bit of ice from work, and if there is anything left cooked, I can put it in a Tupperware. And we can have that on Saturday night. 'Cause we've got prawns tomorrow night.
Ooh.
I think I might do a curry prawn curry and garlic. So I've added 3 sliced cloves of garlic and the mushrooms, and it's condensed down nicely. So I boiled some sliced potatoes before, and I'm just going to put these on top. And then I'm going to add the cheese and put it in the oven. But I might put a few more bits on before I put it in the oven, so...
Do we have an oven on the boat?
Not the oven, sorry, I meant the grill. Well spotted. We could have had an oven if you'd have brought that from what you bought today at Carlo.
Yeah, it's 1400 watts, Sharon. I'm not sure we'd draw that on the battery.
Okay. So here we go. I'm just going to turn this pan down a little bit. It's got a really good flame on this little... oh, fuck.
Don't!
Remember, on a boat...
This is a 23-foot
we're not on a
sailboat. We're not on a... It has to be 26 foot to be able to stand up.
Oh, that would kill. Being able to stand up, because obviously keep bending down. Your back fucking hurts.